Hello, good evening. Tonight we are so privileged to have a group of seamen together with Port Chaplain, and they will explain to us the life of seafarers, what they are doing on board the ship, and how important the Seamen's Club is all about. They will make us a short illustration about the life on board the ship. May I introduce our chaplain, Brother Foyna, Chaplain Foyna can tell us, and some of the seafarers here. So they will now make a short live interview or presentation of the Seamen's Club on board.
Oh, hi. Hello. I'm Froilan. Where are you from?
Myanmar.
Oh, yeah, you're seaman.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Welcome to our love center, Seaman Center. Okay. So we use the word love because we are loving and caring. Okay. So we offer some the following Wi-Fi. If you have laptop, so you can bring your laptop here, and then if you want your other crew come here. So your captain and the rest of the officers or other crew, so we have bus, so we can pick them up in your ship and then bring here. And then we have the city tour, we have souvenir items and indoor games. If you want to see movie, we have CDs and you know, my friend, you know how to play guitar? Piano?
Yes, of course, I'm actor.
Yeah, we have available guitar.
We can play and sing.
Sunday. By the way, is this your first time here? First time?
Yes.
Yes.
First time we
Okay.
have.
You want to have city tours, so we have one.
Yeah.
So we can bring you there.
If possible, we want to go.
Yeah. Okay. How many hours you here?
Yeah.
You stay here for how many years? Minutes or hour?
Although we have a short time.
Short
So,
time only.
yes,
Yeah.
only
2
short
hours
time.
or so?
Yeah.
Okay. So
but I cannot
anyway,
see any drink.
drink. Yeah. We can offer also drinks. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
You can buy.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So thank you for your coming here.
Thank you for your explaining
Yeah, okay.
thing to us to all.
Okay. Come back again.
Okay, thank you, Chaplain Foyna, and the two seamen gentlemen over here. And I have here on my side another three seafarers. I would like to ask their name. What's your name?
My name is Kamil.
Ahmed.
Yeah.
What's your position?
My position is pilot.
Boiler.
Yeah.
How about you?
My name is Tinku. My position is third officer.
How about you?
My name is Tuan. I'm Bosun.
Okay, awesome. Well, I hope and that you will come to visit the Seaman Club that they are offering, and hope to see you
Yeah.
again. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So we are the first time come to Thailand. So
Okay.
where is the swimming club?
Well, our Seaman Club is on the intramural side, so please do visit the Seaman Club. We have an indoor game facility for you and some gym and TV, space and everything. And also we can have some fellowship. We have a van, we have a car that we can tour you all over the city. So bring you to church if you want to attend the church.
Yeah.
So just tell us how we can be of help to you.
So do you have the free service or
Oh yes, we have.
so what time?
So, well, we'd like you to do pray for this ministry, and we encourage you to support this ministry in some way or another that you can help us in our fund. We appreciate any help that you can provide for this mission. Well, thank you and hope to see you all. God bless you all. Thank you for coming.